Hi YouTube friends. Welcome to Great Life and More channel. In this video you will learn about those foods make cancer cells grow in your body. Stop eating them to avoid cancer. Please, pay attention. The world has seen an increase in the number of cancer cases in recent years, with about 1.5 million people being diagnosed with the disease every year. According to experts, the increase in cancer cases is due to carcinogenic foods which cause abnormal cell growth in our bodies. Here's what foods you should avoid. 1. Farmed salmon. Almost 60% of all salmon consumed in the USA is farmed, which is bad because farmed salmon are fed with antibiotics, pesticides, and carcinogenic material. These salmon live in a crowded environment which makes them more prone to sea lice than wild salmon, and they're often fed with chemicals to give their meat a nice pink color. Due to their unhealthy diet, farmed salmon have a lot less nutrients and omega-3 fatty acids, and they have been found to contain mercury, PCB, and other cancer-causing substances. Avoid eating canned salmon and always try to find fresh fish for your meals. 2. Canned tomatoes. The problem with canned food in general is that the cans contain a chemical called BPA, bisphenol A, which has adverse effects on our body. The high acidity of the tomatoes only makes matter worse. When the BPA from the cans gets inside them, it makes them even more dangerous. Currently, the FDA laws don't mandate the stating of the BPA on the labels, which is another reason why you should stay away from canned tomatoes and always buy fresh produce. 3. Avoid soda pop. Consuming at least 1 can of soda daily significantly increases your chance of stroke. This was recently confirmed in a publication of a study by the American Journal of Nutrition. Drinking sodas every day can increase the risk of insulin resistance and raise your glucose levels as they are loaded with sugar. Sodas contain artificial coloring that can cause cancer, and they also increase the risk of obesity as well. 4. Avoid processed meat. It is a well-known fact that the salt and preservatives used in processed meat are very harmful to the human body, and this was confirmed in a study published in the Journal of BMC Medicine. The study included people from 10 European nations and discovered that 1 out of 10 of the subjects died from processed meat consumption. It was also found that people who ate 160 gr of more of processed meat have a 44% higher chance of dying in 12 years than people who ate 20 gr or less. Processed meat contains high amounts of sodium nitrates, carcinogenic substances which are added to make the meat more appealing. Smoking meat is also not good as the meat derives tar similar to the one found in cigarettes. 5. Stop eating microwave popcorn. Microwave popcorn are often lined with perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, a dangerous chemical which can cause liver, kidney, testicular, bladder or pancreatic cancer. Most microwave popcorn use soybean oil and other additives such as propyl gallate, which can cause rashes and digestive problems. 6. Reduce your potato chips consumption. Eating potato chips often will only make you fat and harm your health. Potato chips are full of calories and fat, and contain high amounts of sodium which can increase your blood pressure. They also contain artificial colors and carcinogenic chemical additives. When they are fried in high temperatures, they form a compound called acrylamide which is one of the components of cigarettes. 7. Avoid eating highly smoked, pickled, or salty food. Food with added nitrates and preservatives are highly dangerous for your health. These additives transform to N-nitroso in your body, which is a dangerous compound that is known to cause cancer. Nuts and meat are often smoked and full of tar similar to the one found in cigarettes, and your favorite bacon, salami, and sausages are probably high in sodium and fat which can increase the risk of colorectal cancer. 8. GMO food. Most of our food is genetically modified. This includes everything from fruit and vegetables to meat and snacks. According to an experiment conducted by Dr. Pusta of the Rowett Institute in Scotland, lab rats fed with GMO foods for 10 days had premalignant cell development, weakened immune systems and smaller brains and livers. 9. Refined sugar is dangerous. Refined sugar can raise your insulin levels and feed cancerous cells in your body. In 1931, Dr. Otto Warburg discovered that cancer and tumors feed on sugar to grow in size, and he also found that the tumors in cancerous cells feed on fructose-rich sweeteners in high-fructose corn syrup specifically. This is due to the malignant cells metabolizing HFCS quickly and effectively. Your favorite soft drinks, pies, cereal, and juices are full of refined sugar and HFCS and may be responsible for the recent increase in cancer cases. 10. Stop eating red meat. A recent study has discovered that eating red meat in small quantities can increase the risk of cancer by 22% in men, and 22% in women. Another study conducted on 150,000 people aged 50 to 74 found that the risk of colon cancer significantly increased when the subjects ate red meat. Instead of red meat, try consuming more poultry and fish, which can reduce the risk of cancer. Share this video with your friends on Facebook and Twitter, and subscribe to our channel and visit us on greatlifeandmore.com.